afternoon, everyone. Just a little bit of a cold start update. I haven't started this car since October. But it's running good. I'm actually upgrading the fuel tank because the one I have is leaking, and this is a new Holley metal one. Also new fuel lines from the filter, or actually the front of the engine area all the way back. I ordered both lines and a new fuel sending unit. But yeah, the gas tank's starting to leak. Basically drips when I was driving it in traffic, and then when I would park it, there would be a little fuel puddle under the tank. I looked at the tank itself. It does look a little rusted out, so it was either patch it up with some like JB Weld gas tank repair or buy a new tank. And I'm like, this is not a, this is a car worthy of upgrading the tank. If it was like a daily driver, something like this, yeah, maybe try to patch it. But we're getting a new tank here. It's running good. Let me see if it's leaking fuel. No, I don't see any yet. Check the gauges. Yeah. It's all working. Yeah, that's good. These seats are nice. I like them. I'm telling you, once you get new seats in a car, it really makes the car feel like a brand new vehicle almost. It's just that cushioned comfort. I love this car. I always have. Always have. When these things were new, I was really obsessed. They just looked like no other. Yeah. Well, I also has to change the up at the fuel rail. I have that odometer gauge. It's starting to leak fuel through it, so I'm gonna have to take out the fitting and change it. Either convert it back to the Schrader valve or just put another gauge on there. But I did that job like 10, 12 years ago, and then the gauge finally broke. I love the spoiler, the 90 through 92 spoiler. Or was it 91? No, 91, 92, I think only had this spoiler. The car started right up. I wish I had it on video, but it started up really fast. Doesn't take much to turn this car over. I guess with its healthy compression, that helps.
Borla exhaust.
This exhaust on this car is like considered the holy grail of catbacks for an F-body. The chambered GMMG, considered by many to be the best. That's debatable, but I would have to agree. I think they're the best as far as sound. Got new brake pads too. I'm going to throw those on. But yeah, new fuel system, new sending unit, the whole works. See, I have it back there waiting. Yeah. That's from a Jegs catalog. Says it'll work. Has good reviews, so I'm going to go with it. Wow, it sounds like it's warmed up already. Yeah, we'll do a short little rev here at the 6:30 mark. Here we go. Hang on, let me mount it up. Sounded pretty good. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.